Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in College of Engineering, BS Maths, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education Major Maths. And to those students that your courses were not mentioned in my vlog, as long as you enroll this subject, which is Integral Calculus for this semester, I would like you to invite to study with me today. My topic is all about definite integral. So as my previous vlog, I already mentioned what are the tools to use in the definite integral. So actually, we need to familiarize, or we must have a brave talent for indefinite integrals formula, because we supply the formula from the indefinite integral. So that's why students that already prepared, be sure that you already memorized the formula for indefinite integral, just like natural logarithm, trigonometric function, then exponential, and so on and so forth. But for the basic, that's very easy because n plus 1 over n plus 1. Okay? So I have here two numbers. Number 1 is integral from 2 to 3, circle brackets, 2x plus 1 times e raised to the power of x squared plus x dx. Well, number 2 is integral from 1 to 2, circle brackets, 1 plus ln x raised to the power of 3 over x dx. Okay? So for number 1, let u will be the exponent of e. This is exponential natural logarithm. So, this will be x squared plus x. Okay, differentiating both sides, du is equals to derivative of x squared, that will be 2x. I will write circle brackets, and then plus derivative of x, that will be 1. dx over dx, that will be 1. Then this will be dx. Okay? So meaning, circle brackets, 2x plus 1, dx is equals to du. So this will be integral from 2 to 3. Then I have now e u 2x plus 1 dx, that will be equal to du. Okay? So as what I mentioned in my introduction, we need to memorize the formula for indefinite integral. So integral of eu du is equals to eu plus c. Since this is indefinite, we need to write plus c. But in this topic, definite integral, we don't need to write plus c. Instead, we have to plug in the limits. Okay? So this will be e u, then limits from 2 to 3. Then plug in the value of u. Let's go back to the assumption. So this will be x squared plus x. Okay? Then limits from 2 to 3. So of course, we need to plug in the value first, the upper limit minus lower limit. So this will be e 3 first. So this will be 3 squared plus 3. Then minus e 2 squared. Then plus 2. So this will be e to the 9 plus 3 minus e to the 4 plus 2. So this will be e to the 12. Then minus e to the 6. So factor out. So this will be, common is e to the 6. Then circle brackets, e, this will be 6 minus 1. So this will be now my final answer for number 1, which is integral from 2 to 3, circle brackets, 2x plus 1 times e raised to x squared plus x dx is equals to e to the 6 times circle brackets, e to the 6 plus minus 1. Okay? That's for number 1. Then I will proceed to number 2. Okay? So number 2, u will be 1 plus ln x. So differentiating both sides, this will be du. So I will write circle brackets, derivative of 1, that will be 0, plus derivative of ln x, that will be 1 over x. Then this will be dx. So this will be du is equals to 1 over x dx. du is equals to 1 times dx, that will be dx over x. Okay? So this will be integral from 1 to 2. Then 1 plus ln x, that will be u. So this will be u cube. Then dx over x, that will be du. So basic formula, n plus 1 is equals to 3 plus 1 is 4. So this will be u to the 4th over 4. Then limits from 1 to 2. Okay? Then plug in the value of u. U is circle brackets 1 plus ln x raised to the 4th power over 4. Then limits from 1 to 2. So I will plug in first the upper limit, then second will be lower limit. So I have now 1 plus ln 2 raised to the 4th power over 4. Then minus circle brackets 1 plus ln 1 raised to the 4th power over 4. So this will be circle brackets 1 plus ln 2 raised to the 4th power over 4. Then minus circle brackets 1. So what is ln 1? That will be equal to 0. So meaning this will be 1 plus 0 raised to the 4th power over 4. So I have now circle brackets 1 plus ln 2 raised to the 4th power over 4. Then minus 1 raised to the 4th power over 4. Okay? So allow me to erase this portion. Just follow the arrow. So this will be equal to circle brackets 1 plus ln 2 raised to the 4th power over 4. Then 1 raised to the 4th, that will be 1 over 4. Then LCD will be 4. Then this will be circle brackets 1 plus ln 2 raised to the 4th power minus 1. So this will be now my final answer for number 2, which is integral from 1 to 2. The integrand is circle brackets 1 plus ln x raised to the power of 3 all over by x dx is equal to circle brackets 1 plus ln 2 raised to the 4th power minus 1 all over by 4. I think I'm done because I already solved number 1 and then number 2. That's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding this matter, just leave your comment or comments in the comment section. Then, if you agree with me, please like and share. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Francois TV. Thanks for watching.